The main advice is to really show how your technology benefits this industry. We're a company from the Netherlands, and we are bringing traceability and transparency to global supply chains. We participated in April 2022 in the Grand Prix. This context opened up a new opportunity for us and to connect with the automotive network in France, which was a great opportunity to get here, learn the industry, and be able to connect with various people. And ever since, we have been in contact with many different players in this field and trying to see how our technology can be of benefit here. Absolutely. I think this Grand Prix is an amazing opportunity for any startup in the automotive industry to connect with the rich industry here in France and make sure that the technologies are available and connected with the right people in this industry, because there's a lot of opportunity to be gained. The main advice is to really show how your technology benefits this industry. There's lots of great ideas, but it's not just about the idea and the technology. I would really focus on what's the benefit and how can any technology or any startup bring the industry closer to its ambitions when it comes to the electrification, for example, and other important aspects of this industry. Absolutely. It was a great opportunity to talk with the students at the AutoTech school, make sure we understand what projects they're working on, and we had some great opportunities to meet the students who are working on similar technologies, very interesting conversations, and we're still in contact with a few and expanding as well our network in this amazing opportunity between the different universities and the automotive industry to see how these bright young students can be helpful in all of the new technologies that we're working on.